Alright, we're good to go. So what is happening everybody and welcome back to Left 4 Dead 2. So nagtapos tayo sa mall, yes. Our last gameplay is mall. Now, we're in Atrium. The last part of Dead Center.
That is Jimmy Gibbs Jr., the greatest driver ever to climb into a stock car.
Jimmy Gibbs Jr. Yay!
That man is America's greatest natural resource. If the laws of nature allowed it, I would bear that man's children.
I'm here.
Yes, you're here. I see you. So anyway, let us pick our best weapon. Yeah, I'll take this rifle then. Jimmy Gibbs Jr. Okay. Alright, let's go.
Don't you reckon we should move on now?
Okay, beware of bathroom, guys. Beware of bathrooms. Oh,
Hey, I'm reloading. Man, this is awful.
alin? Oh. Yun tayo baba. Oh, teka, pause. Lamig. Hindi ko kaya ang lamig. Dama ko pa din kasi ang lamig. Wait, pause. Sorry for the interruption. Patayin natin at kalamig. Let us now proceed. G, let's go. That's not important anymore.
Well, if you're looking for ideas, look no further, because I have a good one. Listen up. You see that poster? It says you can get your picture taken with Jimmy Gibbs' stock car. Now all we got to do is find it and gas it up, and I will drive it out of here.
Gas.
Well, it's a plan. I don't know if it's a good plan, but it is a plan.
Okay, now this ain't the first time I try to peel out of a car show. Turns out they usually leave the gas tanks empty for such an eventuality. We gonna have to gas it up.
Madaldal pala tong character natin.
Find a gas can!
Okay, I got one. Let's go. So, fill upan natin to. Let's fill it up. Ammo, of course. Woo! Okay, bye-bye, coach. Go get some more gasoline. Oh! He! Dahan.
Got a can?
Woo!
Oh, this stuff sucks!
Saan nyo yung pinatay? Ay, hindi. Hindi natin ito babaylin, sayang. I think we just pissed them off. Takbo lang. Dali. Kada refill natin ng gas Pami, oh.
Reloading!
Wala ba yung change oil? Change oil ang putik. Alright.
I got one.
Oh. Feel ko madali lang natin ito matatapos. Mag-refill din sa sasakyan tapos pwede ka na umuwi.
Man, never in my wildest dreams did I think I'd get Jimmy Gibbs' car. We need 5 more!
May pangkadami. We just called a horde. Sige. Habang nag-refill ako kayong okay. Mas mabilis. Ouch.
I got this one.
Okay. Throw. Babalikan natin yon. Tapos madali.
Hey, got a can. Reload it.
Hindi. Maapektuhan tong gas. Ba? Lakad. Sa baba. Punta tayo sa baba. Alright, let's go. Nasaan ba yung smoker? Where's the smoker? Kayo na bahala doon pag nakakita nyo, ha? Kakatakot naman ng sigaw.
Come on.
Mhm.
Up here.
Come on, bilis. Full tank.
Shoot it.
Tagal ma-full tank. Oh my goodness, yan ang full tank. Bailin nyo. Huy! Buti napatay nyo agad. Nanindig balahibo ko eh. Anyways, SDG. Oo. Ano. No.
Reload.
Ako punteriya ng animal eh. Okay. Doon tayo. Second floor again. Sino bang walang utak ang naglalagay ng gas din sa taas? Kakaloko naman. Pwede kayo din tumalon. Paano sila nakakakit din eh? Ouch. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of damage. Falling damage yun, bro. Ang sakit. Grabe naman yung falling damage ko. Wait, mag-heal lang ako.
Hey, can somebody wait up? I gotta heal.
Let's heal.
Much better now.
Much better now.
This one.
Binalot mo lang ang sarili mo.
Come on.
Nasa
Just
taas.
2 more.
Nasa taas. Alright. Ay, ito. Pampabilis. Oo, ano, ha? Ge. Alright. Alright. Hindi na ako nalaglag kanina eh. Woo! Ano, ha? Kala mo, ha? Don't me. Doon tayo, second floor ulit. Last one na lang, last one. At tapos na natin to. Tatakas na tayo. Sige, subukan nyo may lumabas dyan. Masusunog kayo.
Oh, smoker.
Oh, ano? Saan ka pupunta? Charger.
Get it. Hey, got a can.
My goodness. I'm still full. Nasaan smoker? Kill that smoker. Oh, naku, may tank. Dili. Uy, sakay na agad kayo. Oh, alright. Muntik na yan. We escaped. Oh, dang, bro. Nice cinematic ending. Ayos. We have finished Dead Center, guys. Alright, so abangan na lamang ninyo guys ang susunod na chapter ng Left 4 Dead 2. We just finished Dead Center. Okay? So thank you for watching.